9/11 on a Tuesday. The 2025 tax filing deadline is April 15th. That's just over a month away. Marcelino is an agent at Cash Trax Financial, and he's here to offer us all some big-time tips. He has 2.5 decades worth of experience. It's a busy time of year, Marcelino. Thanks for making time to come on Loving Living Local.
Well, I love talking about this topic. What can I say? When I get the opportunity to come and share something that I'm very passionate about and that I just really want people to get it right.
Well, let's talk about the services that your company offers.
Yes. Well, we do tax preparation and tax planning. We do it in a way that people really can get the understanding of what's happening. We really communicate well with people. We prepare accurate tax returns, but not just getting them right, but also if you happen to have made prior mistakes. And something really that unique that we do is that not all tax professionals will go back and do back tax returns. See, some just want to stay current or maybe a year back. Well, we'll go back at least 6 years for you. If you haven't filed for at least 6 years, we can go back farther if needed, but we only really need to go back 6 to be in compliance. So we'll go back and we'll help you with those. Plus, if you owe back taxes and have a huge amount, we help to resolve that as well. You see, many of us hear these ads. You hear them on the radio, sometimes they're on television, but I hear them a lot on the radio, these big nationwide tax firms that they say, well, we're going to help you, we'll do this, we'll even give you a free consultation, these kind of areas to solve your tax issues. But most of the time you're dealing with a 800 number. You're calling somebody, you're emailing somebody, but you're never really talking to them face to face. And in the tax resolution space, many people are just could be shy, they could be ashamed, especially if it's a married couple. Run into some interesting stories on that. So I just want to make sure everybody here knows that there's someone here that you can come see, talk to, schedule an appointment with, that'll make time to talk to you and answer your questions and get your case solved without having to go all over the place.
You are the tax master. How important is it to stay organized? You know, some people have multiple jobs, they live in different states, some are independent contractors. How important is organization this time of year to make it easier for you and your team?
Organization is absolutely essential. We work to help you get organized, okay. And then we provide suggestions so that you can stay organized. Because that's to work with us, that's one of the big requirements that we have, is that you follow our instructions. We're very selective in actually who we work with, because we want people who want to get it done, do it right, follow instruction. That's one of my big things. We're going to give you suggestions on what to do and how you can do it. You do that, you'll stay organized, you'll stay compliant, and you'll be able to have peace of mind. You'll be able to sleep at night. You can be stress-free of taxes, because actually part of our deal is to make taxes stress-free.
Where can people find you guys? How can they book an appointment? I'm sure everybody's eager right now. You're the pro.
Yeah. Well, what happens is that you can go to we have our website, cashtraxfinancial.com. You can schedule an appointment right through there. Our local number 719-359-8789. So those are two basic ways you can reach us and schedule an appointment, and then we'll sit down, we'll visit with you, we'll take a look at your case, see if it's something we can help with. Vast majority of people we can help, and some we maybe will refer you to someone who can help you in a little bit different area. And we have a lot of colleagues that we work with that help us sometimes if we encounter something that's a little unusual that we're not as familiar with. So we can really offer a wide variety for people to be able to get a lot done, get it done as quickly as we can, because the biggest holdup in getting anything done with the IRS is time. It doesn't always get done quickly, but usually it takes time, but we can walk you through the process and keep you informed through the process.
2.5 years of excellence and expertise. We do appreciate the time, Marcelino. I know it's a busy time of year. Thanks for making time to stop by this morning.
Well, thank you for having me. I really appreciate this opportunity to share our story, especially when I can save somebody, like I've already done, someone $80,000, and another client over $400,000. It just all depends on their facts and circumstances.
All right, my W-2s and 1099s in the lobby, so you can take a look at my taxes on the way out.